Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to show you how to change out your glow plugs. So if you have an X166350 CDI, you are probably going to want an NGK CZ159. So this is what your glow plug looks like, and you're going to want 6 of these. So to get started, you want to go ahead and go for a quick drive to warm up the engine. Alright, so once you've taken it for a quick drive just to get some heat in the engine, you're going to want to pop the bonnet and remove the engine cover. Now, this engine does have 6 glow plugs, but because it is going to be very difficult to show you how to change each and every one of these, we are just going to demo for you how to change the one plug right here. And so once you know how to change that plug, you'll be able to take off all the other bits and bobs and replace all 6 glow plugs. So for this particular application, you're going to want some nickel anti-seize, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a long 10mm socket. If you are changing different glow plugs, you might need a different size socket. You can simply take one of your new ones, check it before you get started. So while our engine is still nice and warm, we're going to remove this plastic bit here, being very careful. So you're going to pop it up from the bottom. So you're going to want to take these needle nose and carefully go under here and lift up to pop off the plastic. Okay. Now that we've popped off our plastic, you can see the old glow plug in there. So you're going to want to get your 10mm socket and remove the old plug. Right, so here's our old glow plug. You can see a tip there. And we'll go ahead and now we'll get our nice new fresh plug and install. So we're going to take just a little bit of the nickel anti-seize and apply it to the threads so that in the future when you go to change these out, it doesn't break off or anything and it comes out nice and easy like the last one did. Alright, so once you've applied your anti-seize to the threads, we can go ahead and install our new glow plug. And so we'll carefully put that in there and try to get it started. There we go. So once you've gotten it started, get your socket. And so now once you have threaded in your new glow plug and torqued it to spec, you can go ahead, take your plastic cap, and just press down on the plastic to install it. There you go. So that is the finished product, and that is how you change your glow plugs. Now you just have 5 more to do. Alright, so once you've replaced all of your glow plugs, you can go ahead, turn the key, and see how you did. Very good, so we've got a strong start, no hesitation, and no warning lights. Alright guys and gals, if you found this video helpful, please do hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below.